Welcome to the new ECL Now app, created specifically as a resource to help the spa and pool customer with answers to questions from water care to maintenance, troubleshooting, how to open, close, refill, or repair, so you can relax and enjoy your pool or spa. We have links to purchase products, contact service, and files to owner's manuals and warranty information. Just download and explore. To get started, the app will ask you to create a profile. This is important to follow, as it will help us when diagnosing issues should you request service or assistance. Follow the instructions until the profile is complete. Once your profile is complete, you are ready to explore. For new owners, this is a great resource for learning how to maintain a healthy pool or spa. Existing owners can find helpful information on warranty, contact service, troubleshoot common issues, and look up owner's manuals or installation information, order filters or water care products, and much more. Creating your profile. Start off with your email address. Be aware this app is designed to profile one product, so if you have a pool and a spa, you will need to create two separate accounts with unique email addresses. Next, check the Terms and Conditions box. Then you're ready to continue. For verification, you will be sent a 5-digit PIN to the email address entered. You will then enter that PIN to continue. Tap the 3 blue lines on the upper left-hand corner of the screen and begin to fill in your contact information. Be sure that the address is the one that the pool or spa is located. In the future, if you should request service, we may use this information for scheduling. Next, choose the pool or spa style. You will be given options of several styles of pools or spas. Next, choose the shape of your pool or spa. These are general shapes that help us determine factors that they may not be precise shapes, so choose the one that's closest resemblance. Next, you will be directed to fill in the general dimensions of the pool or spa in feet. Choose the water care system you plan to use or the one you Photos of the chemicals will be provided to help you determine which. Choose the environmental conditions that would most match the environment near your pool or spa. Next, choose the type of equipment you have. Follow these instructions as best as you can until you have completed them. Take photos as requested. Once again, if you are ever in need of assistance, these photos will help us diagnose and hopefully avoid miscommunications. Follow along the instructions until the photos are complete. That should be the last step to setting up your profile. Now your app should display shortcut buttons to common departments. On the bottom, you will see two icons. The left side is water care, and the right side is the home screen. We will start with the water care side. The app was custom designed for you, based on your profile setup. So if anything looks out of place with it, you may need to verify everything on your profile is accurate. There are 6 water. The Startup button will include a downloadable file that details how to start up your hot tub. A pool profile will also explain how to open your pool. Next, you can go to the Systems Operation button. This is customized to the water care system chosen and the size of your pool. It will talk you through. The next button down is the Problem Solving button. We compiled a list of common questions asked and responded with our suggested solutions. On the top right is the Buy Online button. This button has a list of recommended chemicals that you would need to maintain your pool or spa. When you click on the product, it will take the user to our online shop where they can purchase products. At the top of the list is a bulk kit of recommended products to get you through most of the season. Next is the Chemical Schedule button. This is a weekly calendar set up to your specifications to instruct the user on what chemicals are needed to be added and when to add them. It includes a checklist of things to monitor to avoid water clarity issues. It is a twice-a-week routine that you can complete and move forward. Keep in mind this schedule is created for the novice pool or spa owner. Hopefully you will catch on and get used to the routine without needing to reference this. But there are some modifications to the pool routine as temperatures and seasons change, so it's not a bad idea for the first-time pool owner to reference this through the first season. In addition, if you ever have someone else maintaining your pool or spa, this is a good resource to share with them. The last button is either Drain and Refill for spas or How to Winterize a Pool for pools. This is a great step-by-step. Now click on the Home button on the bottom right. You will see 6 new buttons: Order Status, Other Services, Customer. The Order Status button is synchronized with our ordering system based on the email address given. Make sure you use the same email address on this profile that you provided to the salesperson when you made your purchase. If you have an open order, it will show what the product is. The second button is Other Services. On this button, you will find links to contact specific departments for inquiries, such as pool covers and liners. Submit. On the bottom left is the Customer Resource button. This will provide the customer with options of owner's manuals. This page will split into pool and spa, then splits into brands, and a list of all of the owner's manuals for that particular brand. The second box is permits, which takes you to a link for all the local municipalities in Hampton Roads. On the upper right is the Service Request button. When filled out and submitted, the information will go directly. Next is the Warranty button. Every warranty claim will need to be submitted through this link for verification. The final button is Contact Us. This will pull up a map and link to our Google page, which once again, we thank you for downloading our app. We hope you find it helpful. Remember, we are a seasonal business and you are probably going to need us when we are at our busiest. So this app is designed to get you the answers you need by the people that can best help you with your questions in a timely manner. Thank you again, and let us know if you have any suggestions on how to improve your experience with the ECL Now app.